Is your electric range experiencing cooktop instability, uneven surface alignment, loose components, visible damage, or issues with the top cooking area? A damaged or worn frame cooktop assembly may affect the support, fit, and reliable operation of your range. Welcome to HnKParts. In this video, we'll show you how to troubleshoot the frame cooktop assembly in your electric range. The frame cooktop assembly is located at the top of the range. To access it, disconnect the power and remove mounting screws or brackets. Lifting the cooktop reveals the assembly below. The frame stabilizes the glass surface, ensuring proper alignment and protection for internal components during regular use. The frame cooktop assembly is important for safe and consistent cooking performance. When the assembly becomes damaged, bent, or loose, it can cause the cooktop surface to shift, create uneven gaps, or affect the overall appearance and functionality of the appliance. Common causes of frame cooktop assembly problems include accidental impact, excessive heat exposure, loose mounting hardware, improper installation, moisture damage, and normal wear over time. These issues may lead to a loose cooktop surface, misalignment, unusual movement, or difficulty securing replacement components properly. Before beginning any inspection, unplug the range and let it cool down fully. Always keep to safety guidelines when handling electrical devices. To troubleshoot the frame cooktop assembly, you will need a screwdriver, work gloves, and a flashlight to inspect hard-to-see areas. Start by checking the cooktop frame for visible cracks, bends, scratches, or signs of heat damage. Inspect the edges and corners to make sure the assembly is properly aligned and securely attached. Verify that all screws, brackets, and mounting points are tight and free from damage. Next, inspect the area below the cooktop for loose connections, damaged supports, or any signs of overheating. Make sure surrounding components are positioned correctly and that nothing is preventing the cooktop assembly from sitting securely. If the frame is cracked, warped, or unable to provide proper support, replacement may be required. Always confirm compatibility before installing a new assembly. For genuine replacement parts and repair essentials, visit HnKParts.com. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more troubleshooting guides, maintenance tips, and helpful appliance repair updates. Thanks for watching.